Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your bank account or credit card from PayPal. What you need to do, first just go to paypal.com and then click login. After that you enter your email, password and then click login. Now you need to go to wallet and you can see here the bank and all the cards that I connected with the PayPal. For example, if I want to delete this card, just you need to click here in the card. After that, when you scroll down, you will see here remove card. Just click remove card. This is what you need to do if you want to delete your bank account or credit card from PayPal. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.